Hey plant lover, welcome. Let me ask you, when was the last time you decided to buy a rose plant? Never, or it's been quite long. And even if you did bring home a rose plant, things didn't actually work out quite well. From this moment on, I expect that to change, and once you have watched this video, tell yourself, I can too grow roses like an expert. I'll share all the important things that would make sure the rose plants grow as you would expect them to. The soil mix, single most important factor. Watering schedule, sunlight requirements. So make sure you stick around and watch the complete video. And yes, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell. Let's go. This is one of the modern roses called Rosa Pink Tom. It would have small and vibrant flowers without any fragrance. Get a medium-sized pot and make sure you have drainage holes in place. I said holes, so you'll have to make 4 new ones on the sides. The water retention of the pot would determine how healthy your rose plant would be. You'll need some pebbles, river sand, neem compost, normal garden soil, and cow dung manure. If you miss any of these things, you might not get the exact same results. Now, pebbles would be used as shown here. This would ensure the excess water just runs out without harming the roots. So now let's make the soil mix. 6 parts garden soil, 1 part neem compost, 3 parts river sand, and 2 parts cow dung manure. Voila! Tap the soil around the plant gently and get rid of all the air pockets and remove any rubber bands or plastic ties that were holding the branches together. Water immediately, and the plant can now set straight away in direct sunlight. After a week or so, you'll notice a few dead stems, branches, leaves. All you got to do is just don't worry and cut off those brown or black parts and apply some cinnamon to every wound. After 2 weeks, you'll have to remove the wax cover from the stems and the branches. If you remove it right at the start, that would be bad for the plant. So only after 2 weeks you can scar off that wax cover from the branches and the stems. The buds are out within a month. That means the soil mix, watering schedule, and the amount of sunlight all are working great for the plant. I had watered this plant 3 times during the first week and then watered once every week. And The amount of sunlight the plant is getting is 6 to 8 hours of sun every day. When you see new leaves, bud formation, and the existing leaves all looking green, know that your plant is doing perfect and you need to keep pace with its future requirements, and it'll keep giving you blooms month after month. This time lapse was shot over a period of 3 days, so you would need to be patient for a good 3-4 days after you see buds all ripen. Now expect to get flowers once every 2 months or so if you are getting this variety of the rose. That was the video. Hope you had a good time. And as always, if you got something for me, questions, feedback, or suggestions, let me know and we'll have a discussion. Thank you once again for your time, and please make sure you're subscribed. Yes, please don't forget to like and share this video with your family, friends, and colleagues. I'll see you again soon with another exciting video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.